Say hey, faithful. Gary here with another episode of 49ers Fogies Shorts Game Ball Edition. This one is the Angry Desert Redbirds versus the San Francisco 49ers. My outstanding players are number 9, Robbie Gould. PAT 5 for 5, field goals 1 for 1, 8 points. He kicked off 7 times for 456 yards. He had 3 touchbacks and 4 returns for 93 yards. Number 24, Jordan Mason. 1 tackle, 1 solo, 8 carries for 45 yards, 3.5 average, and a long of 8. Number 3, Ray McCloud. 1 kickoff return for 33 yards, 2 punt returns for 22 yards, and his long was 14. Number 56, Samson Ebukam. 1 tackle, 1 assist. Ebukam was very active in the backfield of the Angry Desert Redbirds. Number 31, Tashaun Gipson Sr. 2 tackles, 1 solo, 1 assist. 2 passes defended, 2 interceptions. He returned total for 35 yards, averaged 17.5. His longest was 23. Number 51, Azeez Al-Shaair. 10 tackles, 4 solos, 6 assists, and 1 quarterback hit. Number 54, Fred Warner. 8 tackles, 6 solo, 2 assists. Fred was one of the keys to this win. Number 38, Deommodore Lenoir. 7 tackles, 6 solo, 1 assist. This is the best game I've seen Deebo play. Number 75, Jordan Willis. 3 tackles, 2 solo, 1 assist, 1 sack, 1 forced fumble, and 1 quarterback hit. Number 13, Brock Purdy. 15 for 20 for 178 yards. That's an 8.9 average yards per attempt. His longest was 26. He had 3 touchdowns, 0 interceptions, and a 141.2 rating. He was sacked 4 times for 38 yards, 4 carries for 7 yards. His longest was 13, and he had 1 first down. He was also hit 5 times. Number 23, Christian McCaffrey. 10 carries for 45 yards, 4.5 yard average. His longest was 19. He had 3 first downs. He also had 3 targets and 3 catches for 34 yards. That's an 11.33 average with a long of 21. He also had 1 touchdown, 2 first downs, and yak of 38. Number 85, George Kittle. 6 targets, 4 catches for 29 yards. His longest was 15. He had 2 touchdowns, 3 first downs, and a yak of 10. Number 25, Elijah Mitchell. 5 carries for 55 yards. That's an 11-yard average. His longest was 37. He had 2 touchdowns and 4 first downs. Number 19, Deebo Samuel. 1 carry for 4 yards, 4-yard average. 3 targets, 2 catches for 20 yards, 10-yard average. His longest was 11. He also had 1 first down and yak of 28. Number 44, Kyle Juszczyk. 1 carry for 3 yards, 3-yard average. 1 first down, 1 target, 1 catch for 26 yards, 26-yard average. He had 1 first down and a yak of 21. Number 60, Daniel Brunskill. 68, he played 68 snaps, 62 on offense, and 6 on special teams. He played both left guard and center, and not at the same time. And finally, number 11, Brandon Aiyuk. 5 targets, 4 catches, 59 yards, 4.75 average. His longest was 22. He had 3 first downs and a yak of 9. Honorable mentions are number 26, Samuel Womack III. Number 29, Talanoa Hufanga. Number 1, Jimmie Ward. Number 50, Michael Dwumfour. Number 32, Tryon Davis-Price. And number 97, Nick Bosa. If I have forgotten anyone, please let me know in the comments below. And as usual, I will give you my players of the game at the end of this video. So until next time, stay faithful and go Niners! Players of the game, special teams, Robbie Gould and Jordan Mason. Defense, Tashaun Gipson Sr. D-line, Samson, Ebukam. Offense, Brock Purdy. O-line, Daniel Brunskill. And my player of the game, number 13, Brock Purdy. 3 touchdowns, 0 interceptions, and a rating of 141.2. Congratulations, Brock. What a game.